Show up.
What's that?
Oh.
You wanna go?
Okay, he has a mask.
What about this one, you guys?
Ooh, that's cute.
Mommy, funny? I'm glad she likes masks now. Oh wow! But Ayla, we only eat the vegan pepperonis, yeah? What am I? Oh! Ayla, come here. Mommy protects you, yeah? This is Papa being silly. Just baby.
Protect you.
This is absolutely hilarious. Captain Underpants. I was actually Captain Underpants, you guys, one year for Halloween. I wore pants and then I put my underwear on top of me with a cape. That is hilarious. Mine was way more creative. But this is so cute. Brings back the memories. Whoa. Spooky. Time to the serious stuff. I need to get some groceries. Finding something for Ayla healthy to eat snack-wise is always my hardest mission. So I always end up just getting the same stuff. We just left Target. It is so hot out right now. But on the bright side, I got everything I needed. Ooh, I need the keys. This is me. Except I forgot the tofu.